Hello students. The first two roles that we have studied, calyx and corolla, they are the non-essential roles of the flower. Non-essential means they do not directly participate in the process of reproduction. They just help in the process of reproduction. They do not directly participate. They are not making any gamete. So these two roles are called non-essential roles. The third role is known as androecium. Androecium is made up of several stamens. It means unit of androecium is called stamen. You can see here stamens, this yellow portion and then this filament. These are the stamens. In this flower also you can see the stamens. These are the stamens. You can see here some yellow colored portion is present. You can see yellow anthers here. So these are the stamens. Stamens form the androecium. Now structure of this stamen consists three important parts. This portion is known as anther, the upper swollen portion. You can see here this yellow colored portion. So this upper swollen portion is called anther. Anther is a part that contains pollen grains inside it. From inside it looks like this. It has pollen sacs. Pollen sacs are present and inside pollen sacs pollen grains are present. When these pollen sacs rupture, they releases pollen grains outside in the air. Second part is this thread-like structure. This is called filament. These pollen sacs, these two anther lobes are connected by a tissue called connective, right? And this thread-like structure is called filament. Now, function of this is to produce male gamete. So it produces male gamete. So it is a male part of the flower, male reproductive part of the flower. So androecium, third role is androecium and its unit is called stamen. Stamen is made up of anther and filament. Anther contain pollen sacs inside which pollen grains are formed. Now these stamens may be present free or they may be united. Now here you can see that all stamens are united to form one single tube. When they are united to form a single tube, then this condition is known as monoadelphous. Mono means one. Adelphous word generally used for group of brothers. So here it is referring to the stamens. So group of stamens, one group of stamen means monoadelphous. Diadelphous means two groups are there. Then this condition is called diadelphous. And when several groups are formed, then this condition is known as polyadelphous. Clear? So example of monoadelphous is China rose, गुड़हल का फूल जो होता है. Diadelphous is pea and polyadelphous is bombyx. Now we come to the fourth role, that is known as gynoecium. Gynoecium is the fourth role. You can see here the structure present inside this green color portion and one tube here. Here it is forming the swollen portion that is called ovary. So this gynoecium consists one or several carpels in it. These are also called pistils. Each carpel consists three important parts. First part, the upper part, knob-like structure that may be having lobes also. This is called stigma. It may have some glands or hairs here. This portion is called style, tube-like structure, and this portion is called ovary. Stigma receives the pollen grains. So it serves as a landing place for the pollen grains during pollination. And this tube-like structure connects stigma to ovary. And inside ovary, ovules are present.